I work at the Eco Home Centre, which we're a sustainable building centre. So what we do is we provide education and training, consultancy and advice, and a green supply chain as well, so that individuals can build and live sustainably. So that can be from anything from someone building their own project to just decorating their home. What we try and do at the centre is we try to give them as much information as possible so they can make their own informed decisions about what to do. Okay, if you're looking to go green and you're trying to save energy, the best thing to do is 3 stages really. The first one is to look at your behaviour and the way you act. So instead of maybe brushing your teeth for as long as you normally do, or running the water while you're brushing your teeth, switch that water off. Maybe have shorter showers. These small changes can have a big effect on the amount of energy you use, the amount of water you use, and overall the amount of CO2 we put out into the atmosphere. So that's kind of stage 1, is small behavioural changes, learning how to live slightly different. Stage 2 would be to use small retrofit devices such as these 2 here. So we have an energy monitor here. So this is plugged into your input cable in your electricity box, and this monitors exactly how much energy you use in your home. It displays it on there, gives you a graph so you can see exactly how much you're using. You can see exactly over the course of the day, and you can also set alarms to stop yourself from using too much. This itself isn't going to save you any energy, but it's going to make you aware of what you're using, which can promote the biggest behaviour change. Another device here, retrofit device, is an interflush. This is a water saving device. This pops onto your toilet and can halve your water consumption, because at the end of the day we use drinking water to flush the toilet, so that's a big waste. Okay, another way obviously of saving energy is to use energy saving light bulbs. These obviously can be replaced, any light bulbs nowadays, so any light bulbs that we used to have, even some of the stranger fittings, you can still replace them nowadays. So this can save you energy and can take your kind of power consumption down by a good 30–40%. if you're using lighting quite a bit. So that's kind of stage 2, things up to £100. So all of those things and a lot more devices you can use. Up to £100 spending gives you a big reward in the end, lots of energy saved. Obviously the next step from that would be to have looking at the rest of the structure and improving that in terms of insulation and airtightness. So you want to try and make your building as airtight as possible, and you want to make it as insulated as possible. From then onwards, the spending obviously goes up, and you look at replacing windows, and you look at maybe generating your own energy. So using maybe a solar panel on your roof, which you can obviously pay to have fitted and installed, which can supply all your energy demands or supply all your hot water demands. Entirely what depends on how you use your home. So really, it's the basic first things first. There's loads of simple things you can do, loads of very cheap things you can do that can really save you quite a bit of energy. You just have to have the will to do it and the mindset, really. Okay, something we sell at the Eco Home Centre is a breathable natural paint. These are all made from natural ingredients. There are different manufacturers out there. The ones we mainly deal with are these 2 companies here. This is a clay paint, so this is based entirely from clay. It's so natural that after you've finished using it, you can leave it out in the sun to dry, and then just put it on your compost. So that's how natural it is. There's no nasties, no chemicals in there at all. They're also breathable, which means that it allows water vapour to move throughout the building, which promotes good ventilation and also stops anything like mould and damp problems, which can obviously cause a lot of problems, especially respiratory problems. Another manufacturer is Oro, use obviously all natural ingredients, and so their basis is citrus oils and other such oils along those lines. They promote good healthy environments, and they're very good for you, as opposed to traditional paints you can buy on the market today.